All right, guys, there it is. Wheels on, tires on. It's a big boy, heavy, man. I don't think the X-Max is this heavy, to be honest with you. Actually, let me look it up real quick. I'm gonna check to see what they weigh. All right, yeah, so this does weigh almost about 5 pounds more than the X-Max. It's still lighter than the Creighton, from what I've seen. The Creighton is about 35 pounds. This is about 25, and the X-Max is almost 20 pounds. So yeah, I don't remember the Creighton being this heavy either. But anyway, there it is, all put together. Looks pretty cool. I like it. It's got a pretty wide stance to it. I know it's gonna be hard to tell on video and everything, but yeah, pretty wide stance. I like the aluminum hubs that they threw in there. That's nice. The body actually looks pretty cool. Looks good, looks good. Some more aluminum I see right there. Let's take a look underneath right quick. Oh, I forgot about the radio. So that's in here. And it's zip tied, so I'm gonna have to cut that off. All right, so not a bad radio that it comes with. It's pretty nice, actually. It's got some grip over here in the back and in the front. Got some foam on the wheel. Throttle trim. Throttle trim, steering trim, steering endpoints, on-off switch here, some LED indicators, the reverse for the throttle and the steering. Not bad. Channel 4 up here, channel 3, and the bind. Well, actually, the bind is up here. What's the bottom one? Okay, so it has a LED button over here. So that's cool. Oh, now you wanna help? No. Yeah, not bad. It takes 4 AA batteries. Actually, a pretty nice radio. Does have another LED in the front here. Let's take a look at the truck now. Not bad. Hopefully these, and it doesn't look to be adjustable. Maybe they are, but hopefully these battery trays are adjustable, because my batteries are definitely a lot bigger than what's there. There you go. You got a nice size fan on the motor. Motor looks pretty beefy. Then you have your ESC. Everything looks pretty good, pretty clean. Nice setup. You got a receiver box, so everything is waterproof. It does have some battery straps here with some REDCAT branding on the straps over them. So it looks good. It did have, oh, there they go, right here, some limiter straps, which I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but they're there. I'm sure they won't hurt. That's all the way around. So you got them in the back and over here in the front. Shocks look pretty beefy, threaded. But yeah, the truck looks pretty good. Here's your power button too, also mounted there. All right, guys, but here's a side-by-side comparison with the X-Max. As far as the length, I do have it, the back wheels lined up pretty close. The REDCAT is a little bit longer of a truck. So as far as the width, I don't have the Wide Max kit on mine. So keep that in mind. If you have the Wide Max kit, then yours is probably gonna be similar to this. But if you have the stock setup, then the REDCAT's gonna be a lot wider also. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get my batteries, try to throw them in here. Let me get that and I'll see you guys outside. All right, guys, I'm out here. Truck's already powered on, ready to go. We got steering, we got reverse, we got throttle. I do got my performance analyzer in there. I have it over here ready to go. So let me hit start and let's get going. All right, so we got a little bit of a wheelie there. I was afraid no wheelie bars, that it wouldn't do any wheelies, but at least a little one. Let's see. Okay, so wheelies, check. Not bad. I'm gonna try to hurry up because it is only 25 degrees, so I'm gonna freeze to death out here. There we go. All right, let's get our speed run in. Now that we got wheelies. A little bit slippery, sliding all over the place. I don't know why, but let's go. All right, don't look too bad. Hoping at least get into the 40s, right? A little bit of a spin out there. All right, not bad. All right, that should be good. Let's go over here, see what we got. All right, so hit stop and hit read, and we have 45. All right, so I was hoping closer to 50, but we're almost there. Let's go for one more run, see if we can get a little bit higher. So go back, hit start. And let's hit that again. There we go. All right. Let's go a little further out this time. Yeesh. All right. Let's go one more pass. I guess really too, because I got to bring it back. Here we go. Here we go. All right, that should be good. That should be good. Ooh, some ballooning on them tires, so need some belted tires. Diffing out a little bit there. Oh yeah, definitely. But all right, let's go see if we got anything better. All right, hit stop. Oh, hit stop again. All right, there we go. And read. What do we got? What do we got? Come on. We do it again. Read. Okay, so still 45. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Freezing cold out here. We got 45 today. First power up with the REDCAT. I was gonna wait some more so I can really go out and bash it somewhere, but doesn't look like the weather's gonna be any better. So wanted to get out here, at least power it on and get a speed run. So anyways, thanks for stopping by. If you guys got a Vigilante, let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.